are details about Project Tempestabulous. She's indeed returning. She's indeed returning. She is gonna return on April 11th, 2021. This is a warning. We have to stop her before it's too late. I only have 2 minutes to say this. She is coming back. We might be in grave danger. She seeks to destroy us. And she won't be alone. She won't. She is not alone. She has a friend. He's trying to, he can create storms. She can also create storms. She's the freezing one. And they're the weathering too. You might be in grave danger. I'm warning you. Do whatever you can and prepare for this date. April 11th, 2021 at 4:28 p.m. Central Standard Time, 5:28 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 3:28 p.m. Mountain Standard, whoops, sorry, the wrong time zone, 4:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time, that's basically what I'm saying, on April 11th, 2021. Remember this message when she comes. Remember this message when they come. Remember,